Hi guys, today I'll unbox Capgemini welcome kit. So this is not given to all. This is given to 2020 whoever joined right on 2020. So they all are getting, and this is not like default they are getting. So we need to apply for this, and for that purpose I make one more video on that how to apply for this kit. And let's now unbox this kit. Okay, box first. Even I don't know what is inside. So they mentioned like there is some cups and all, but I don't know. This is like where the future you want. It's showing like this. So let's from where we need to open. Is there anything? Yeah, it's like a folder. Okay. Just try to figure out where to open. If I aren't able to figure out right, then directly just do this. Yeah, so actually from here, yes. So directly let me just put it one by one. One is the bag. Let's see. Let's open the size and all the side. This is the bag you can use daily purpose. This is cat. Let me just clear it and unbox other thing. This is a diary. Let's open this diary. Let's open. Don't know. It's writable diary. Yeah, this is a magnet. Here is the Capgemini brand logo. This is I think rubber. And yeah, this is the readable, writable diary. Okay, so all pages are empty only. You can write all the things, notes and all here. Now let's put this aside. There is a bottle. Serve well. Capgemini brand logo. Get the picture you want. Yeah, bottle. Not a good quality, but yeah, it's a bottle, right? And there is one thing. What is this? Submarine power to express. Yeah. What is this, bro? Yeah, one pen, bro. Yes, one pen. Which is so branded as Capgemini. Yes, okay. This is a pen, legit pen we can use to write in a diary for specific purpose. This is a mug, which is also like branded as Capgemini. And the quotient content hot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't think this is useful, but yeah, this is a mug for me. Yeah. So there is two more something. One is the paper. This is like get the future you want, like full of Capgemini goodies. Goodness, yeah. What is this? Don't know. Some Capgemini stuff. Welcome to Capgemini family. Yeah, we are in Capgemini, so we are said like we are at Capgemini family. Yeah, and yes, if you like this video and if you want how to apply for this type of goodies, so I'll make one more video and stay tuned. I think tomorrow only I'll make the video and upload it on YouTube. So yeah, if you like, then please subscribe to the channels and yeah, please share to your Capgemini colleagues. Yeah, and thank you for joining Capgemini family. Yeah, thank you.